Morning, Squidward! Oh my, having a little sneezing fit, are we?
Yeah, I think you were right. I must be allergic to my house.
Oh, that's too bad. I guess you'll have to move. Yes, you can't stay here, or your allergy will just get worse.
Look at what?
See? Your allergy is already getting worse.
But where will I go?
Don't worry, SpongeBob. I'll help you find a great new home. Bear with me.
But Squidward, I love this old pineapple. We've had a lot of good times together. Squidward, my sneezing's getting worse.